Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of them is the Pro, so we have to tap on it to get access to it, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one option here is the ISO, so we can control camera sensitivity to light, and by using this slider we can make it less sensitive from 100 and more sensitive to 800. So I think this spectrum is really enough. Like this kind of camera, we can easily go back to auto ISO by tapping on this manual button from the right. Now let's move at the center to white balance. Here we can manage the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees. By using this slider and going to the left, we can make our picture more cold, more blue. By going to the right, we can make it more warm, more orange, so this is kind of balance between the warm and cold tones of our picture. And of course there's no problem to go back to auto white balance. We can do it simply by just tapping on manual button from the right again. And now let's go to the right, to the last one option, the exposure compensation. Here we can manage the light of our picture. And we have the slider, now we are on 0 parameter. By going to the right we can make our photo more bright, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. To go back to auto exposure compensation, we have to just simply slide to the center of this slider to 0 parameters. From here, let's go now to the right corner button here, so we can change also the metering of our camera. We are on center weighted, we can pick also the spot and the matrix. So for example, let me change it now to spot, and let me use these settings to take a picture, so maybe a little bit brighter with exposure compensation, maybe colder white balance, and the ISO 200. To see my picture, let's move to the button from the left that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.